How younger men can tell an older woman is waiting for you to make a move. Gentlemen, today's video is going to be an interesting one. Age gap relationships where there's a significant difference in age between partners have become increasingly common and accepted in today's society. But for younger men involved with older women, determining whether she's waiting for you to make a move can be a challenge. So how can you tell if the older woman is eagerly anticipating your next move? Let's explore some of the key signs. Subtle flirting. When an older woman shows subtle signs of interest in a younger man, it often involves a delicate dance of flirtation. Imagine her playfully teasing you, maybe with a witty remark or a gentle joke. She might hold your gaze a bit longer than usual, as if trying to convey something more profound with her eyes. And then there's the light touch, a brush of her hand on your arm or a pat on the back that lingers just a tad longer than necessary. These are the subtle cues that she's sending your way, indicating that she's not just interested in casual conversation or friendship. Instead, she's hinting at the possibility of something deeper, something more intimate. Pay attention to whether these behaviors occur consistently when you're around. If they do, chances are she's trying to signal her interest in you as more than just a friend. She asks you to fix something. When something goes wrong with her car, or if there's something broken in her garden, she'll always come to you for help. You see, older women have been around for a while, so they understand guys better than younger women do. She knows that guys like feeling useful, so she'll act like she needs rescuing. According to James Bauer, a relationship expert, guys have a natural instinct to be heroes. They want to take care of and protect the people they care about. When a woman makes a guy feel like he's the one who can help her out and keep her safe, he'll be really interested in her. Unusual eye contact. Not every woman wants you to talk to her just because you make eye contact. The trick is to figure out if it was accidental or on purpose. If it was accidental, she'll probably look away fast. But if she keeps looking at you for a while or keeps doing it, she's probably trying to tell you something. How an older woman looks at you depends on her personality. A shy woman might look away quickly and then keep peeking back at you to see if you're coming over. If you don't, she'll probably keep looking at you. But a more confident woman might look at you and smile before looking away. That's a pretty clear sign that you can go talk to her. She compliments you. Giving compliments is a straightforward way to show someone you like them. An older woman might compliment you on different things like your clothes, your clever ideas, your achievements, or your funny jokes. Unlike younger women, older women care more about your personality than just your appearance. If she compliments you often and talks about more than just your looks, she probably really likes you. Those compliments aren't just polite. They're her way of saying she thinks you're great and wants you to make a move. She gets personal. Older women usually say what they mean and mean what they say. They're straightforward and don't play games or give you mixed messages. If an older woman likes you and wants you to do something, she'll probably just tell you. If she talks about her feelings for you, mentions that she's attracted to you, or says she wants a relationship, it's pretty clear she wants you to make a move. She wants you to know she's interested, so there's no need to guess. Her honesty is a nice change from the sometimes confusing hints people give. If she's upfront about her feelings and what she wants, it's a sign she wants you to make a move. She asks for a quality time together. If she consistently suggests activities or outings that allow for one-on-one interaction, it could be a sign that she enjoys your company and is seeking more than just friendship. Whether it's inviting you to dinner, suggesting a movie night, or planning a weekend getaway, her efforts to spend meaningful time with you signal a desire to deepen your bond. Sexual jokes. Telling jokes with sexual themes around someone you're interested in can help start a conversation about intimacy. If they laugh or share their own funny story, it shows they're comfortable talking about that topic with you. It's like a test from her to see if you're on the same page. If you respond positively, she might feel more confident to take things further. But don't worry if you're shy and don't react the way she expects. She'll find other ways to show her interest. She shares a deep conversation with you. Older women value intelligence more than just good looks. They enjoy having deep conversations as a way to show they're interested. These talks go beyond casual chat and cover personal beliefs, goals, dreams, and life experiences. When she asks for your thoughts and remembers details from your talks, it means she respects your mind, and enjoys your discussions. Sharing personal stories is another way she builds trust and shows she's interested in connecting with you. But remember, the setting matters. If these talks happen at work, they might just be professional. But if they occur outside of work, especially in personal moments, it's a sign she wants to get to know you on a deeper level. She, looking for excitement and lets you know about it. During your conversation, she might boldly mention that she's looking for some excitement. For instance, if she's married, she might say that married life is dull and she's not having fun anymore, even in the bedroom. Or if she's single, she might mention she hasn't been with anyone for a while and is looking for some company. She might even ask if you know anyone, but it's pretty clear she's hinting at you. Invites you out. When an older woman suggests doing things together or invites you to events, it indicates that she wants to spend more time with you outside of regular encounters. This could be anything from grabbing coffee or going for a walk to attending a concert or joining a group activity. By initiating these plans, she's showing interest in getting to know you better and creating opportunities for you to bond. She enjoys your company. The fact that she's suggesting activities or events implies that she enjoys your company and values the time you spend together. Older women tend to be more selective about who they spend their time with, so if she's actively seeking your company, it's a strong indicator of her interest in you. She tilts her head in your direction. When she tilts her head while you're speaking, it's a sign of genuine interest in what you're saying. It signifies her desire to connect with you on a deeper level and forge a stronger bond. However, it's crucial to understand that if you're alone together and she tilts her head towards you, it doesn't necessarily mean she's leaning in for a kiss. This gesture is often subconscious, and misinterpreting it could startle her. Instead, be patient and wait for the appropriate moment to express your feelings or intentions. She asks if you're in a relationship. Now, this is one of the strongest signs she wants you to make a move. I mean, why would she ask something too personal, right? Whether she's married or single, she'll ask if you're in a relationship because she's figuring out where you two can meet up. If she's married, it can't be at her place. But if you're single, it could be at yours. But if you're already in a relationship, she'll have to come up with other ways to spend time alone with you. If you like today's video, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.